Hi, my name is Denise Myrick of Keller Williams Bay Area Estates, and welcome home to 1365 Vance Drive within the Pinnacle neighborhood of Berryessa community in San Jose. This bright and charming single-story home has the perfect footprint to entertain with separate living and family rooms. And a centralized kitchen located between the dining and family space. There are 4 bedrooms, including the master suite, 2 full baths, and an inside laundry. A sliding door off the family room leads to a patio area in the backyard, outlined with trees providing lots of privacy. Additional features of this home include air conditioning, window treatments, and lots of storage space. It's also been freshly painted throughout the inside of the home and with brand new carpet. This home is located in a desirable neighborhood with excellent schools including Noble Elementary School, Sierramont Middle School, and Piedmont Hills High School. Come check out this great home today. Don't miss this great opportunity to own a charming home in the Berryessa community. Give us a call today for more information.